Hey guys, welcome back to another problem solving tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm just going to be solving this guy's problem. So he is having this problem of his date picker, which is like a new iOS 14 thing, is going off the side, and I don't know what the problem is, but I think since he's created it in code, I think he hasn't added any constraints, which probably the problems. So what I'm going to do is date picker problem. I'm just going to copy and paste this code, and I'm just going to see what happens for me. So we'll just copy and paste that into here, and Control I this thing. Okay, now I'll just run this on the iPhone 12 mini first, just to see what happens, and I think it should work fine on this iPhone 12 mini. Or maybe it won't, because it's the iPhone 11 and it's like a different screen and everything. We'll just see. Alright, so it seems to be working. Oh, it's not actually. Yeah, it's not, because the arrow should be on this side. So now I'm going to run it on the iPhone SE 2nd generation and just see how it works on this. Here it is. Gonna make this a bit bigger. Okay, and yeah, it seems to be cutting off a screen. I think the problem here is that he just hasn't added any constraints. So what I'll do is I'll just add constraints over here. So first of all, I did this in a previous video, but I didn't actually explain how to add constraints, but now I can show you here. So what we do is we go to the date picker, which we define up there, then we go to the top anchor, and now we can actually change a constraint equal to view dot top anchor. This is the equivalent of creating a constraint in the main.storyboard. If you just click here, select view, and then set this as 0. And yeah, so we can do this for all three. And one thing with constraints is you also need to do is active is equal to true at the end of them. So I can set this to 3. We don't need the bottom one. I mean, we can, but I don't really want to have it. So we have leading anchor, and this is equal to the view.leading anchor, and we also have a trailing anchor, which is the same as view.trailing anchor. So if I run this now, I think this should solve the problem. Yeah, there we go. And I can add the bottom one as well, but I don't think there's any point. We'll just add it anyway. So bottom anchor is equal to view.bottom anchor, and I'll run that. And yeah, it just fills up the whole screen. So yeah, this was how we solve this problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye!